Welcome to Salkeld's Adventures. Today we're in the Lake District to take on another two Wainwrights, Beda and Angletarn Pikes.
Our 9-mile journey begins at the old church in Martindale. From here you pass Winter Crag Farm and start a steady ascent onto the ridgeline, over Winter Crag and up to the summit of Beda Head, before continuing a further 2 miles to Angletarn Pikes. We then retraced our steps and started to descend just before Beda Knot, down to Dalehead Farm, before picking up the road back to the car.
Here we are guys, just made it. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Parked up just on the side of St. Martin's Church here. Nice old church that. And we've actually got a red deer conservation area here as well, so we get to see some red deer. It'd be nice, because normally all you get to see around our neck of the woods is roe deer. See, we've got a quirky little ancient church, St. Martin's Church. Don't know if we can actually go inside, we'll have a look. Please close this door to keep out the birds. I think Bex has gone behind, she hasn't even seen me. Look at this, look at this. Shut that door. He might renew our vows, eh? It's coming up to our 1 year anniversary. Lovely little church this. Let's have a look around the back of this church here. No grave there, look at. Looks like something off Dracula. Absolutely gorgeous day for it today. So we're going to be heading up there, Beda Fell in the distance. A little bit that sticks up there, that's the knob. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. So we're going to turn in right just to the back here of Winter Crag Farm. Follow the dry stone wall up to the top. Onto the ridge line. There's the back of the farm. We're just going to follow this dry stone wall now all the way up to the top of the ridge line, and I believe near the top of here there's a little bench which you can stop off for a rest, which we'll need in this heat today. Have a nice day for it. Just in front of us there you've got Harland Fell, which we did about a year ago. Just make out people coming back down there, and just to the right you've got St. Peter's Church. Just above us there you've got Winter Crag. We'll be coming over the top of that in about 10 minutes. Lusty, isn't it? So actually kid free today. AJ's gone to Whitby with his Nana and Grandad. Oh, here we are. Little seat I was on about earlier. So we'll have a little rest here, get some nice views though. You've got Ull's water. Then we're going to continue that way over Winter Crag. Salkeld having a little rest there already. Bex pushing on there up the Winter Crag. Just in front of us you've got Steel Knots. Come around here to Harland Fell. You've got Ull's water there with Go Barrow Fell just behind it. Great Mel Fell, and then this peak coming around this corner here, that's Place Fell. So we're going to push on, onwards and upwards. I tell you what, Bex is on a mission today. She's leaving me for dust. She must think there's a bar at the top here. So we reckon you can see all the people coming down Harland Fell there. St. Peter's Church at the bottom. There's actually a couple of coaches, a couple of minibuses. Everybody suited and booted up, obviously a wedding on. So we're surmising somebody's actually getting married at the top there. Pretty good idea, but I'm not going to lie, on a day like this, you'd just be a total sweaty mess at the top. Keep your eyes peeled. Steep bit here. Not wrong with your arse, love. why I married you. A wee bit craggy. This is Salkeld's determined to see some red deer. You've got to know the Wainwrights, haven't you? Loads of them you've got to go down to go up and up to go, down and down to go. Now we're getting there, slowly but surely. Still over half a mile to go. Looks like a little bit of an ascent of doom now. Cracking views opening up now. The north side of Ullswater, Moody Bridge. So anybody that knows me knows that I'm obsessed with the thought of big cats out in the wild in the UK. Here you never know. Something's definitely looking that clean. Another little craggy bit, content with.
2 hours later.
Today, love. Gonna climb on this bit. I think this is going to be the steepest bit so far. Next loves these ones. She's giving herself up now, look. Don't think you'll be able to pick that up on the video, but you can hear our wedding party all cheering on. They're all singing before, singing a bit of Bon Jovi, Living on a Prayer. Class. So that's going to be one of the next ones we do. Steel knots, I think we'll do that one with AJ, it's a bit smaller. And to be fair, I think we can just park where we did down there at St Martin's Church. There's like a horizontal path leading up. There's the summit. Then we'll probably come back down to St Peter's Church and come back around. But I've seen a couple of other YouTubers pick that up and then they come right across the top ridge line there. I can't remember the names of those ones. I know Butchie Boy did it probably a couple of months ago. Him and his pal went up. Weather wasn't as nice as this on the daylight, and I think they finished off at Arthur's Pike and Bonskill Pike, but we've done those two before, so. But aye, lovely views now. See Helvellyn in the distance over there as well. Just ahead of us there, I think that's a fake cairn. We're about 0.3 miles away from the summit now. And the summit's not actually called Beda Fell, it's Beda Head. So we made it to this little cairn now. It's kind of bears the way for the true summit, which is over there. Right ahead. There you go, Bex is getting excited now. Got some red deer footprints.
Oh. They look a bit fresh. Not you donut.
No. I reckon I went that way about an hour. Here we go, summit in sight, Beda Fell, Wainwright number 59 for us both. So here we are guys, Beda Fell, 509 metres. Here we are at the top. This is for you Butchie Boy Adventures. We're not having a beer while we're here, we're having a wine while we climb.
As always, from a Wainwright summit, we were gifted with amazing panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, taking in all the far eastern fells and Ullswater Lake. We stopped for lunch at the top and checked our map for the second and final peak of the day.
Right, so now we're on our way to Wainwright number 60, which will be Angletarn Pikes. About 45 minutes from the summit of Angletarn Pikes, just under 2 miles. So we should get there for about 4:30. Check the football scores from the top. Hey. So my original plan was to hit up Angletarn's Pike, and then there's Brock. it's Brock Pike or Brock Crag, which is another one. And then you drop down, you can drop down to the Nab. But when I've looked online and watched other YouTubers' videos, it's private land at the bottom of the Nab, so you can't actually descend from there. You've got to come all the way back over. Tell you what, now that wind's died down, it's absolutely boiling. So just in front of us, we've got Beda Fell Knot. Oh yeah. There's the summit of the next one, guys. Angletarn, Pikes. It's just another look at the Nab for you. I tell you what, I'm pleased we didn't decide to come all the way around today now, because I'm flipping knackered already. I reckon that's where all the red deer will be, down in that valley. Almost there, guys. Absolute sweat on now. 5 miles covered so far, almost to the top. Oh, here we are, guys. Wainwright, number 60 for Bex and I. Angletarn Pikes. Bushka! Slap that summit, baby! Just off the side of there, you've got Angletarn, which is the most popular wild camping spot in the Lake District about. Just over there, you've got Brothers Water, red screes and middle dot, sat behind it. Get another look down. South end of All's Water. We launched the drone for a glimpse of Angletarn. The tarn's very popular for wild camping and swimming, and it's also a good spot for fishing. Well, that's 60 Wainwrights crossed off and only another 154 to go. We're hoping to pick up a horseshoe in September, which will tick off a few more. If you've walked the Wainwrights, let us know which is your favourite in the comments.
And to top off a lovely walk, I finally got to see a herd of red deer at the base of the Nab.
As always, thanks for watching, and please take the time to like, comment and subscribe.